Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Thomas and I'm a dedicated Pipedrive expert. You clicked to watch a video that helps you with custom fields in Pipedrive. Custom fields can help you organize your sales. If you have any questions about Pipedrive or custom fields specifically, please let me know in the comments. If you want to improve rapidly your Pipedrive setup, check our services on the website davame.com. Link can be found in the video description. To explain custom fields, let's use a flower shop example. Let's imagine you run a flower shop. Every order is different occasion, delivery date, and budget. That's why default fields are not enough. Custom fields help your sales team understand the deal without asking extra questions. They add context, not complexity. And now, it's Pipedrive time. To find custom fields, just open any deal. Custom fields can be found on the sidebar in details. As you can see, I have already prepared some. We have occasion, preferred colors, greeting cards, delivery date, type of delivery, note for delivery. Let's say we need not only delivery date, but also delivery time. To add a new custom field, click these three dots in details. Customize fields, and you can just add a new custom field. As I said, delivery time. You can just group this field in delivery group. You can add extra description and define also the field type. The field type, just specify what type of information you want to enter. Pipedrive already suggests time, and that's right. But you can also add text, single option, multiple option, some numbers or monetary field. You can also connect these custom fields to other organization or people. You can have also extra phone number or, for example, address. On the right side, you can find the option to set up the custom field for read-only option. It means that only some specific people can edit this field. This is good for marketing purposes. You don't want your salespeople to edit a source of the deal. But in this case, I won't use it for a flower shop. Another option is the visibility of the custom field. You can define if this field is visible in every pipeline you have in Pipedrive, or in some specific pipelines. And the last but not least, you can define if the field is important or required. Important fields are marked with a small dot and say, hello salesperson, this field should be filled out. Required field or mandatory field says that Pipedrive requires this field to be filled out or Pipedrive won't let you to the next stage. You can also define which stage it starts to be mandatory. So at the beginning, it doesn't need to be mandatory at all. But in the later stage, you might mark this field as mandatory. You save it, voila, we have already set up all the custom fields. As you can see, occasion is a single option field that you can find out some options that you can choose from. On the other hand, preferred colors, because some people might want to have like a multiple color flower bouquet. So it means you have a multiple option field. A greeting card is another example. You can add extra text as a wish to the flower. And of course, time, date, type of delivery, or note for delivery. Custom fields can be connected not only to deals in Pipedrive, but also connected to a person or to an organization. You can add, let's say, a job role of the person as a custom field to the person, or a company ID or a billing address to a company. To manage all the custom fields, you can just go to company setting, and there is data fields, so it covers all the data fields that you have within Pipedrive. Not only the custom fields, but also the system fields. As you can see, you can find a preparation phase with occasion, preferred colors, greeting cards, and delivery time, delivery date, type of delivery, and note for delivery. You can customize also the people in Pipedrive. You can add custom fields to organization, to product, to projects. I hope this video has helped you to understand custom fields in Pipedrive. Go to your Pipedrive account now and test your new skills. We aim to become #1 Pipedrive partner. Help us on the road and subscribe this channel. Go close the deals. Thomas out.